When anybody goes to prison or in jail, he always try to hire a lawyer or advocate to get bail easily so that he can come outside of the prison or jail. In the same way, Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says that this material world is full of misery and also prison. Now you will think how this material is prison. So prison is not by we are inside the iron bars or we are in the closed four wall of behind the four wall. That is not prison. According to Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna means that this material world is prison because we are bound by each other in this material world by lust, anger, unlimited desire, impurities in our mind, impurities in our desire. See, according to Bhagavad Gita and Lord Krishna, we are entrapped in this prison. So this is prison according to Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna also says we have to go to our real house, that is back to Godhead, which is the original habitation of this spiritual soul, real house of this spiritual soul. This material world, we have sent in this material world for breaking the law of God, and we are suffering in this material world, suffering by mind and body, suffering by other living entities, suffering by natural disturbance. So we are suffering here, like in the jail. When someone commit crime or attempt crime, he is sent to jail, and for a particular year he suffer in the jail, and after that he comes out. If his crime is normal, not very dangerous crime committed like murder or rape, in that case he will not come out, or he will given sentence to death by hanging till death. But when we commit normal crime, so we hire lawyer for bail so that we can come out. In the same way, Lord Krishna says you should come out of this material world and come back to Godhead. So when any Vaishnava dies, it is both feeling of sadness and also celebration for the Vaishnavas. Sad is that because Vaishnava, very important Vaishnava, the association of Vaishnava we lost. But celebration is for that because that particular Vaishnava had departed to his real house. He had got association of our eternal father and mother, Radha Krishna. So going back to Godhead, going back to our real home, that is not the reason for our grief, but is the reason for celebration. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.